In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 things God cannot do. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Cherish Coco. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and hit the like button so that when I have a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 things God cannot do. This morning, I was thinking about the omnipotence of God, and God is all powerful, God is all knowing, He can do all things, but yet, there is 10 things God cannot do. Let's get right to it.
God cannot change. God cannot change.
God can't stop loving you. Jeremiah 31:3.
God cannot forget you. God cannot sleep.
God cannot break a promise. Psalm 89:34. God can't forsake you. Yes, you, I mean you. Hebrews 13:5. God can't get tired of you. Yes, I mean you. You watching right now. God can't get tired of you. Isaiah 40:28. God can't leave work unfinished. Philippians 1:6. And God cannot be selfish. Romans 8:32. Always believe in God. God bless you for watching this video. See you soon on my next video.
Hi.
Hi, Aquarius.
Good job. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Hi. I'm Flourish.
Hi, Aquarius.
Good job. I say God cannot sleep.
God did not sleep.
Don't bend down. Stand up. God cannot sleep.
Mama,
You don't want chips?
Mama chips.
Okay, God.
I want to drink.
Okay, God.
God,
Up. God
God
cannot sleep. Oh yeah, now.
did not sleep.
Do it again. God.
God,
Flourish. Look up. Yeah, look at me. Look at me. God
God
cannot sleep.
cannot sleep.
Okay, do it like this. Sleep.
Sleep.
God. Bethany, come and do God cannot sleep. Flush don't want to do.
Mama,
Oh yeah, do it now. God cannot
God.
sleep.
God did not sleep. Cannot change.
Do it fast. God.
God cannot change.
Okay.
God cannot change.
Do it again.
God cannot change.
Do it again.
God
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Hello, Bethany.
Yeah, Mom.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good job. Matthew 5:48.
Matthew 5:48. Be ye perfect, even as your Father in heaven is perfect.
Don't shout. John 11:35.
Jesus waits. Jesus waits.
Hebrews 13:8.
Hebrews 38. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever.
Psalm 23 verse 1.
Psalm 33 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
John 14:14.
John 40:14. If you ask empty in my name, are you doing?
Exodus 14:14.
Exodus 40:14. Your word is fight for me, and will hold my peace.
Philippians 4:4.
Philippians 4:4. Rejoice in the Lord always. I say it again, rejoice.
John 17:17.
Sanctify them by your truth. Your word is true.
Philippians 4:13.
Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me.
Timothy 6:6.
Godness be contented is great gain.
2 Timothy 1:7.
God has not given me the spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and a sound mind.
Hebrews 12:14.
All this with honor and holiness. Without this, no man can see God.
Isaiah 1:19.
Isaiah 1:19. If I really and the bigger issue, it goes on the land.
Isaiah 7:7.
Isaiah says 7. Surely it shall not stand, neither shall it come to pass.
Luke 1:37.
Luke 1:7. With God, all things are possible.
Proverbs 18:10.
Proverbs 18:10. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. Righteous mountain, and I am safe.
Lamentation 3:22.
Lamentation 22. It says the Lord mercy will not consume. He cast passion faileth not.
Hebrews 29:12.
Hebrews 29:12. For what God is a consuming fire.
Galatians 5:22-23. The fruit of the Spirit.
Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control.
Matthew 5:48.
Matthew 5:14. Be ye perfect, even as your Father in heaven is perfect.
Hebrews 13:8.
Hebrews 38. Jesus Christ is the same